What's up guys, Kyler here, back with another video. Today we got a couple cosmetic mods that we're going to do. Some rear bumper extensions and then a blacked out 340i emblem. So let's get it. We just got the fresh wash. Looking real good. Here are the carbon fiber rear bumper extensions. And these are from Monaco Motorsports. So same brand as the diffuser, so I figured that would mesh really well. These actually aren't in the best condition. I don't know if you can tell, there's like slight scratches. But I actually ended up getting these supposedly brand new off eBay. Apparently the guy that had them just never put them on. Can't really tell, but I definitely got them for a huge discount. So first, before we install it, we'll go ahead and do a ceramic coating on them just to make sure that they're protected. And they wash with ease, so let's do it. Alright, after the ceramic coating, I went ahead and put some 3M tape on. That way I can just go ahead and stick them on the bumper and then screw them in. Alright, gonna go ahead and clean the bottom with some alcohol solution, cardboard eraser. Alright, we got our 3M tape off. So, here goes nothing. Alright, that fitment's really good. Now I just need to put the screws in and it'll hug it tight. Oh yeah, it looks awesome. Oh yeah, completes the look for sure. And I just need the side skirt extensions coming soon. Alright, I got these 1-inch metal self-tapping screws, and I got some a little bit of sticky stuff on it just so it doesn't rattle out. It'll be secure forever. So I'll go ahead and screw these 3 screws in. So this is the sticky stuff that I'm using, flexible sealer, just in case you wanted to secure it that way too. I don't think it's necessary, maybe a little bit overkill, but better safe than sorry. Alright, so that's how you want to do it with the drill. You just want to go nice and slow. No reason to go fast. And then even you can tighten it up with a screwdriver just by hand at the end, because This is real carbon fiber, so it will crack if you're not careful. Alright, yeah, these are tight. That's it, good to go. Love these mods, they're so easy. Yeah, it looks really good. That was like a million times easier than the diffuser. Yeah, it matches up pretty well with the diffuser. No complaints. We'll see how dirty they get. But I mean, that's why I ceramic coated them. Thick. It's coming along. So I'm really going to be going for more of like a blackout theme on this car, just because of the paint color, and it's going to look really good. So I'm looking forward to doing more mods and show you guys how it's going to turn out. Super stoked. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you smash that like button, hit subscribe if you aren't already. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.